Hey guys, what's up? I know I say this a lot, but today, you guys are truly in for a treat. I'm not sure if any of you have heard of the brand Inkbox. As of last week, I've actually never heard of them, but today I'm about to bless all of your lives with their presence. So Inkbox did send me a little package with some goodies in it, and I will be unboxing and reviewing those for you guys today. If you have not heard of Inkbox, they are a For Now temporary tattoo brand. Before I dive into the actual unboxing and review, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about Inkbox. So starting out, Inkbox is a temporary tattoo brand. Their tattoos typically last about 1 to 2 weeks. And that tattoo is going to fade naturally as your skin is going to naturally regenerate. Science. So this is perfect for all of you out there who have commitment issues, or if you just want to try something new and fun. And I think they're super cool off the bat, reading that their formulas are plant-based and cruelty-free. Thank you so much for all the brands out there that are jumping onto this. And what I think is super cool about this brand is that when you purchase a tattoo design, actual tattoo artists make money from it. So this is what the little package that they sent me looks like. Their new For Now tattoos are supposed to be new and improved and easier to apply, but since I've never used Inkbox before, I don't know how the other tattoos in the past have applied. I do just want to put this out there before you guys jump on your computers and order your own tattoos. They do recommend not putting these on your face, hands, or more sensitive areas, so don't do that. They recommend not doing that. So let's get handsy and dive in. We got some goodies in here, guys. Okay, so I did get 3 tattoos from Inkbox. They are all separately in their own little packaging. The art on these are so cute. They do give credit to the photographers of these photos on the bottom of their packaging as well. So cool. Okay, so which one do I want to try first? I like daisies, I like yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one first. So I'm just opening it up, and then you can see the little tattoo in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that in the packaging right now, but this one is 2 little eyelashes. Alright, so it does have the instructions on the back as well. Okay, it says, before you start, apply in a comfortable setting, avoid excessive movement and sweating to prevent blurring. That's okay, I don't do exercise. Number 2, it says, be careful, you can only use the materials once. Let's hope I don't mess this up. Number 3, choose tattoo placement based on the protective seal. It's bigger than your tattoo. Number 4, for areas with dense hair, make sure to have shaved at least 24 hours prior to applying your tattoo. Okay, it also says our kit contains a primer wipe, a tattoo with For Now ink, and a protective seal. It also has a cute little timeline. I love schedules, love that. The application time takes about 5 minutes. You leave it on for about 60 minutes. Easy enough. The tattoo will darken in about 24 to 36 hours. Kind of like a Polaroid, you just gotta let it develop. And then, lastly, your tattoo will last about 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, and that's super cool. So it does also have a little timeline about, depending on where you put this on your body, how long these tattoos will last. So I'm going to be putting probably these on somewhere on my arm. Says you'll get that fresh look between 1 to 7 days on my arms. Then it'll start to fade around 8 to 14 days, which is super cool. So here's our little tattoo in here. And then we have our primer wipe. And then this is the protective seal. So starting out, I'm just gonna open up this bad boy and prime my area. So I think I'm gonna put the eyelashes right here. Ooh, this is like a little exfoliation action. This actually smells quite nice. It kind of has a nice florally undertone accent, if that makes sense. It's not a super strong alcohol scent. It's actually quite pleasant. All right, I know I have a history of packaging. Let's see if this is pretty easy. Oh, okay, that wasn't bad at all. And of course, I love my directions. It says, using the pull tab, peel off the white liner to reveal the tattoo design on the clear adhesive. Place the sticky side on your skin slowly and gently press out any air bubbles. This will stay on through steps 3 and 4. Okay, so it says apply the sticky side down And yes, this is super sticky. So I want to put this right here. All right, and I'm just pressing out any air bubbles there. All right, and I'm gonna take my protective seal. This has a little tab here. I kind of wish this had a little tab as well. This was a little difficult to open. I got the job done. Woof. All right. And we're just going to protect our little tattoo here. All right, and that bad boy is gonna stay on for about an hour, it says. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer. It is 11:24 now. I'm gonna set this for 12:24. All right, and I'm just going to actually apply the other tattoos while this is kind of setting. Okay, so an hour has passed. It is 12:24. We're gonna take off the first tattoo that I had applied. I guess I'm just gonna rip off the band-aid, literally. I don't know if this happens to anyone. Anytime I rest up on something, I get indentation. Does that mean I'm like super dehydrated? What does this mean? Why does this always happen to me? Anyways. Okay, and you're supposed to pull off the actual tattoo sticky part towards the way that your hair grows. So my hair grows like this, so I'm gonna pull down. Whew. So obviously it's really faint right now because as the directions did state, it does take about 24 hours to 36 hours to develop. So I will be giving you guys a little check-in updates throughout the day today, and then I will give you a final update tomorrow. So I am going to peel off the rest of them. Okay, so just to recap, I have these cute little closed eyelashes. I chose these ones just because I really enjoy makeup and I love the way you can express yourself with makeup. Kind of like tattoos, honestly, so that's kind of cool. And then I have a cute little light bulb. Now, when I was browsing all of these, this one stood out to me because my husband is a musician and he is in a band. I'll go ahead and just plug them below if you guys want to check it out and are into that. And their whole motto is shine light and inspire. So I saw a light bulb and that was kind of like a little reminder of my husband and his musical journey. And then honestly, the fingers crossed one for good luck, that one was just super cute. Do I really need a reason to choose what tattoo I like? If I like it, I like it. So that's why I chose that one. My skin seems to be a little irritated with the sticky adhesive, but that is literally just me, guys. My skin will break out in hives for anything. I'm sure all of you normal people out there, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. This is literally just my stubborn skin giving me a run for my money. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check back in later throughout the day to give you guys little updates. So far, so good. I'm loving Inkbox. Thank you so much for sending me these. I'll see you guys shortly with a little update. Alright guys, clearly it's nighttime because I took all of my makeup off and I am such a loser. It is not even 8 o'clock on a Saturday night and I'm already ready for bed. And as you can see, the tattoos are really starting to develop. I'm really excited how these are turning out so far. I cannot wait to see them tomorrow morning. Can't wait to check back in tomorrow morning to give you guys a more conclusive update. But yeah, these are what mine look like about 7.5 hours after application. Not bad, not bad. Alright, I'll see you guys in the morning, but what you'll probably see is just a pinch of time. We're just time traveling all over the place today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Welcome to the future, guys. It is 8:01 the next morning, and these tattoos are fully developed. I want to say that I'm shocked that they turned out so amazing, but honestly, with all the reviews that I read and everything I know about this company just from research, I knew this was going to be so amazing. I just think it's honestly so cool that you can have a tattoo without the commitment, but real artists still get compensated for that. So easy to apply, no pain, no effort. So with all that being said, I give Inkbox a 10 out of 10. They're such an amazing company with such amazing standards, amazing morals, amazing ingredients. Let's just go ahead and give Inkbox a standing ovation. There's truly so many different amazing designs on there. It's probably going to be a little hard for you guys to decide on which design you want because they're all so cool and so amazing and so unique. I'm going to go ahead and link their website for you guys down below so you can easily find that for yourselves. That's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you again, Inkbox, for sending these amazing products to me. I'm so happy that you did. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys soon.